Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Into this video, I'm going to show you how to connect wireless earphone, headphones to Sony Bravia TVs. So remember guys, this Bluetooth technology or compatibility for earphone well depends on your Sony Bravia model. So if you want to know, or if you want to check if your TV is compatible with Bluetooth, you have to check if it's Bluetooth compatible with A2DP profile. So you can check that in the specifications of your TV or in the Sony website. The model number specifications. So in this video, I'm going to use my Redmi AirDots 2 to connect this headphone to Sony X80J. So guys, the X80J, which is a 2021 model of Sony Bravia, what we call the Google TV, it's already compatible with Bluetooth wireless headphones. So let's try. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to set your wireless headphone, either Sony or any other brand. Set the headphone to pairing mode. So ilalagay nyo sa pairing mode yung headphone. So dito sa Redmi, in this Redmi, to set the headphone to pairing mode, you have to press few seconds the headphone, and you have to wait until the indicator light flash alternate with white and red. Okay, so after that, if your headphones is already in pairing mode, you have to go to settings of the Sony Bravia. So okay, for this model, I'm going to use 65X80J. So navigate to the cursor from left to right and locate the settings for the TV. So let me enter. Okay. Scroll down from settings menu. You have to go down until you find or you see the remote in accessories. So remote in accessories. So let me enter. Okay, turn on the Bluetooth. There you go. Okay, turn on the Bluetooth. Okay. Okay, turn on. Then go to pair accessory. Enter. So the TV will search for the compatible headphone. So okay guys, as you can see, the TV is already detected my wireless headphone, the Redmi AirDots 2. So after that, let's enter for Redmi AirDots, and it says pairing and pair. So Bluetooth pairing request from Redmi AirDots 2. Pair with its device, just select pair, and to confirm, just press the enter button. So it's connecting. So basically guys, once you're connected, all the sound of TV will send to your wireless headphone. So the TV will no sound at all. So it's already successfully connected. Okay. After that, if you wish to disconnect, just disconnect, or you can remain, or you can forget. Okay, let's try to play. Let me open one video. Search for PLG. Volume, and you can see in the volume at the bottom, it's 29 volumes Bluetooth. So the TV with no more sounds, and the Bluetooth audio is already in the headphones. See, I put the headphone to the camera microphone, so there are blinking lights, meaning the headphone is active, connected to the TV. So let me put the headphone to the microphone of the camera so you can hear. So that's the volume. Okay, so hey guys, thank you for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and share. See you next time on my video. In my next video, I'm going to show you the connection of the active subwoofer to the amplifier using the speaker terminal. If your amplifier doesn't have the dedicated subwoofer out or LFE, you have to use the other method to connect the subwoofer to the amplifier. So watch out for that. Okay, bye. See you next time. Thank you.